How to find deleted photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo you want to delete from here. Then, tap on the delete icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete Photo to confirm. After that, scroll down and go to the Utilities section at the end. Then, tap on Recently Deleted. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. Once you're here, you can view all your recently deleted photos and videos. This way, you can find all your deleted photos for up to 30 days, after which, they will be cleared automatically. Following these steps, you can easily find deleted photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.